When no one's walking through the corridor, the piece is quiet and off. But as soon as people walk in, their own energy, their own presence starts becoming evident with the light and sound kind of rippling.
What's truly terrifying is that this isn't the new normal.
We can talk as climate scientists forever about how it's getting hotter or flooding is getting worse. So a piece of art like this really helps people understand how it's affecting people on the ground.
I wanted to feel the fear I feel every day.
It's a project called Climate Parliament, and it's basically a pendant chandelier, if you will, of 481 loudspeakers, each of which has its own light, and each of which has a different recording from the history of climate change activism.
The exciting part of this piece for me is how it's curated hundreds of voices that are telling different truths about issues of climate from their perspective. It's going to be subtle for a lot of people. It puts a little idea in the back of your mind that you have to chew on for a while later, and that maybe that little idea will grow into a conviction over time.
And in a way, this piece serves as a collective echo, like a memory of the fact that we've been warned about the situation that we're in, and then the fact that we need to address it is something that kind of the building is always reminding us of.
I love the fusion of it. I love bringing together the sciences, the arts, and the social sciences together. If we can work together, if we can share expertise, if we can kind of build on each other's work, riff on it, I think there's going to be more chance that we actually develop the kind of creative thinking we need to put ourselves on a sustainable path forward.